Hey guys, what is good? How are y'all doing? How's your vibe? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload, that I drop on this channel. Here we go. It's starting. Woo. So in today's video, I actually was contacted to create a set of nails, only I did them all wrong. So these were the nails that I actually created. I did go ahead and add extra because she ended up not wanting them because I did screw up. No hard feelings. She wanted them really curved. I thought she just wanted the long coffin. These are the Couture maximum coffin nails. This is the nail tech that did it on Instagram. If you guys want to go check out her post. And these are the nails. The only difference is she doesn't want that little charm. Also, I am using a new gel polish from Madam Glam. This is in their brand new May collection. Madam Glam's new collection is called Flavor Por Favor. I'm only using one of the colors from that collection, and the color that I am going to be using is called Tulips. So instead of buffing off the surface shine, I'm going to actually chemically etch it. I'm going to take my Couture primer. So what you would do is you would just go over the entire nail with that primer, and it's going to make it sticky. That way the gel polish will adhere to it. I'm going to take my Madam Glam base coat. So go ahead and apply that base coat to the nails. All right, so after your base is on, like I said, go ahead and give that a 30-second cure. And I'm going to get that Madam Glam Tulips. So when I go in with the first coat, I want to make sure it's all smooth. You want to make sure there's no bubbling on the side walls. That is a gorgeous pink though. And go ahead and give that a full 60-second cure. All right, you guys, I went ahead and put a second coat on, cured it. Now I'm going in with the finishing touches, and these are the Pixies I have. Pixie glitter, Pixie, whatever in the heck you call them, little Dixie, Pixie, crystal. Pixie Dixie. Oh my god. Pixie crystals? Whatever. You're going to take a no wipe top coat. For these nails, we're going to use the Dom Thick Daddy top coat by Couture. Go ahead and top coat. I'm going to use a cupcake liner. I'm going to put that down in there. We're going to start dropping those on there. Push them onto the nail. Make sure they're all up there. Kind of add some where they aren't. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Full 60 seconds. All right, so there is our Pixie nail. That looks really cute. Good job, Jamie. Good job. I'm gonna use these from AliExpress, and then I'm gonna use these here. You can get these pretty much anywhere. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. That's what that looks like. Let me show you guys. All right, look at that one. See that? Looks kind of something like that. And I'm not gonna top coat it like she did here. It looks like she went over her rhinestones with top coat. We're gonna put them right into the thick Dom top coat. Actually, what I'll do, I'll go over it with the whole nail with the Dom top coat, and then I'll take my DIY gel, and with the DIY gel, I'm gonna place it here, and we're just gonna go down with it to about right here. Start applying the gems. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give that a quick cure. The Dom top coat again. Put the top coat on. Not too thick. Yes, it is a thick top coat, but we're not putting it on too thick. All right, take some more of the DIY. Put the DIY right here in the center, all the way down. I mean, it looks pretty good, huh? Let's go ahead and cure. Dump them in here. Go ahead and put a thin coat of the Dom top coat on the whole nail, and then start applying your stones. Go ahead and do a 30-second cure on that. Look pretty good. Go ahead and do a full cure on all that. Pinky nail, I am going to put a little dot there and then a small little one here. Same with the side. These two from Hino Couture that I will be putting on each of these nails. So we're gonna put that one there and we're gonna put the rose right below it. And I'm gonna take the middle nails. We're gonna take that Dom Daddy Thick top coat here. Take some of this Hino Couture glitter that's so gorgeous. Let me show you guys. It's iridescent. It's got like a pink shimmer to it. Pink and purple. Okay, once your top coat is applied, let's go ahead and dump the glitter on there. Push any of the glitter. Make sure it's all up on the nail. Go ahead and cure it. Dust that off. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here are my pink tulip nails. I think Madam Glam did a fantastic job, even though it wasn't a full review on all of their May colors. That review will be coming up very shortly, so stay tuned. So yeah, there we go. Guys, let me know what you think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. I really like them. They're simple, but they are extra AF. That said, hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Sending you lots of love and light. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.